Train your mouth to speak English fluently in 60 days. Slow English Audiobook. Train your mouth to speak English fluently in 60 days. Welcome. Take a deep breath. Relax your mouth. Today, we will practice speaking English slowly and clearly. Listen first. Then, repeat every sentence aloud. Ready? Let's begin. I can speak English. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. Every day I become better. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I open my mouth and speak with confidence. I smile when I speak. I enjoy learning English. I practice every day. Good habits make good results. I listen carefully. I repeat every sentence. I speak one word at a time. I speak one sentence at a time. Slow speaking is powerful. Clear speaking is beautiful. My pronunciation improves every day. My confidence grows every day. I believe in myself. I can have simple conversations. I can ask questions. I can answer questions. English is becoming natural for me. I never give up. I keep practicing. I enjoy this journey. In 60 days, I will speak better than today. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. This script is perfect for a 4 to 6 minute slow English audiobook with pauses after each sentence, so beginners can listen and repeat. Train your mouth to speak English fluently in 60 days. Part 2. Train your mouth to speak English fluently in 60 days. Part 2. Welcome back. Today we will continue our speaking practice. Remember to listen first. Then repeat every sentence slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today is a new day. I am happy to practice English. My voice is becoming stronger. I speak with confidence. I speak one sentence at a time. I do not rush. I speak slowly and clearly. Every word is important. I listen carefully. I copy the speaker's pronunciation. I open my mouth wide. I pronounce every sound clearly. I breathe calmly when I speak. I smile while speaking. Speaking English is becoming easier. I enjoy learning new words. I use English every day. I can introduce myself. I can ask for help. I can answer simple questions. I am improving every day. Practice makes progress. Confidence comes with practice. I never stop learning. I believe in myself. Tomorrow I will speak even better. My English is getting better day by day. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in part 3. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. I can also create part 3 with a longer 8 to 10 minute audiobook script that includes real-life conversations and shadowing practice for beginners. Title: Train your mouth to speak English fluently in 60 days. Part 3. Train your mouth to speak English fluently in 60 days. Part 3. Welcome back. Today we will practice a simple conversation. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence after the speaker. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I am very well, thank you. Are you ready to practice English? Yes, I am ready. Wonderful. What is your goal? My goal is to speak English fluently. How many days do you practice? I practice every day. How long do you practice? I practice for 30 minutes every morning. That is a great habit. Thank you. What do you do first? First, I listen to slow English. What do you do next? Next, I repeat every sentence. Do you speak loudly? Yes, I speak loudly and clearly. Do you worry about mistakes? No, mistakes help me improve. Excellent. Keep practicing. I will never give up. Very good. Your English is improving every day. Thank you for helping me. You are welcome. See you in the next lesson. See you soon. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Goodbye. This part is designed for slow listening, shadowing, and pronunciation practice. It works well as a 6 to 8 minute audiobook with pauses after each sentence. Train your mouth to speak English fluently in 60 days. Part 4. Welcome back. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Relax your mouth. Today, we will practice a real-life conversation. Listen first. Then repeat each sentence slowly and clearly. Let's begin. Hello, Alex. Hello, Emma. How are you today? I'm doing very well, thank you. And you? I am great. I practiced English this morning. That's wonderful. How long did you practice? I practiced for 30 minutes. What did you do first? First, I listened to a slow English audiobook. What did you do after that? I repeated every sentence 3 times. Did it help your pronunciation? Yes, it helped me speak more clearly. Do you practice every day? Yes, I never miss my practice. That is a great habit. Thank you. Small steps make big progress. What is your dream? My dream is to speak English confidently with people from around the world. You are getting better every day. Thank you. Your encouragement gives me confidence. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep smiling. Keep learning. Success comes with daily practice. I believe in myself. I believe in you too. Thank you for practicing with me. You're welcome. See you in part 5. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Train your mouth to speak English fluently in 60 days. Part 5. Welcome back. Today we will practice a conversation at a coffee shop. Listen carefully. Repeat each sentence after the speaker. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Let's begin. Sarah. Good afternoon. Daniel. Good afternoon. Sarah. May I sit here? Daniel. Yes, of course. Please have a seat. Sarah. Thank you very much. Daniel. You're welcome. Sarah. Do you come to this coffee shop often? Daniel. Yes, I come here every Saturday. Sarah. What do you usually order? Daniel. I usually order a cup of hot coffee. Sarah. I like tea more than coffee. Daniel. That's nice. Tea is very relaxing. Sarah. Are you learning English? Daniel. Yes, I practice every day. Sarah. How do you practice? Daniel. I listen to slow English audiobooks. Sarah. Do you also speak aloud? Daniel. Yes, I repeat every sentence 3 times. Sarah. That is a great way to improve. Daniel. It helps my pronunciation and confidence. Sarah. What is your biggest challenge? Daniel. Sometimes I cannot find the right words. Sarah. That happens to everyone. Daniel. Really? Sarah. Yes. The important thing is to keep speaking. Daniel. Thank you. I feel more confident now. Sarah. You are doing a great job. Daniel. I will continue practicing every day. Sarah. Excellent. Daily practice brings great results. Daniel. Thank you for the conversation. Sarah, you're welcome. Daniel, see you again soon. Sarah, goodbye and have a wonderful day. Daniel, goodbye.